Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class. Who is going to tell me what we have learned in the yesterday's class? Yes, we did some more practice on Scratch, right? And what was that practice? We did a wonderful activity that was drag and drop, right? Okay. How many of you have revised it at your home? All of you. Very good. Okay. So is there any confusion in that? No? Okay. So I'm going to share the screen again with you. So let's practice it, revise it, that how we can drag and drop, or let's revise what we have learned so far about the Scratch. Okay. So the very first thing that we learned about the Scratch was that this picture is known as the sprite, right? Okay. Then we have learned that we can change the sprite as well. This is not the case that we have only one sprite and we will just work on it. We have a huge variety of other sprites as well, and we can change that sprite from where. If we want to change that, we will click on this face, which looks like the front face of the cat. If you will click on this, it will give you the multiple options of other sprites which you want to choose, and from here you have multiple distinctions made, like you have animal characters. If you click on this, it will show you all animal characters. If you click on people, you have different human characters, like then you have better, you have Abby, Ammon, Avery, right? If you click on fantasy, you have some sprites which belong to fantasy world. Then you have some dancing characters as well, like you have Cassie Dance, you have D Money, you have Joey Dance, and etc. Then we have some musical instruments as well, like we have microphone, we have radio, guitars, we have drum conga as well. Then we have some sports related things as well, like you have basketball, you have baseballs, you have football, and some characters as well who are playing sports. If we talk about the food items, we have pictures from that as well. We have fashion related things as well, like we have pants, winter hats. See, the colors of the pants or the designs are changing. Then we have hats as well, different types of hats. I like this beer one. Then we have hardware. Then we have glasses, see, different glasses. Then we have different dresses. I like the blue one. Then we have the booty, we have scarves, we have shirts, we have shoes as well. I like the long boots. Then we have shorts. Then we have sunglasses, winter hat, and wizard hat. And at last we have English alphabets as well, right? And we can choose anything as our sprite. Okay, okay, let's change one. And let's say if I select one, like I want this balloon as my sprite, so I'll just click on this and this balloon has been over here as my sprite. Let me delete this previous one. Okay. Okay, see, now this balloon is over here as my sprite, and I want my computer, this page, to please save this for me as my sprite, so that next time when I open this, it should be here. So I'll click on the file and I'll say save now. So this has been saved as my sprite in the project. The next we learned was that how we can move things. So if we'll click on move, this balloon will start moving. If we want to rotate this, we will click on turn, it will turn toward the right. If we want to turn toward left, we will click on that. So this is how we can play with it, right? The next thing we learned was that how we can drag different blocks. So we will put our mouse on the block, we will just bring it over here. Now if we want to attach the second block with it, we will just bring it closer to the area. When it will blink into the vicinity, just leave it and it will automatically fix together, right? Let's practice it with one more. Bring this one, bring it closer. When this grayish part will come, just leave it. Got it? And this is known as drag and drop activity, right? This block, bringing block, is known as dragging, and this whole activity is known as drag and drop. And what is this? What is the Scratch? Scratch is basically a program. This program is built for the children, for children like you, for people like me, for all of us, basically, whoever are interested in programming language, whoever are interested in playing with this. So the programming, the original programming programming language of computer is very difficult and we cannot learn that, we cannot understand that. So in order to make it easier for the kids, in order to make it easier for them to practice that, this scratch, this programming scratch has been created for kids so that they can work on this, right? So this is what so far we have learned, and this is we will be practicing in tomorrow's class inshallah as well. I'll be giving you some activity for that, and then inshallah in the next we will be doing some more. So far, whatever I have practiced, whatever I have showed you, you are supposed to do it all on your scratch. Just open the scratch page, open the site, and do whatever I have told you, and let me know if you have any confusion in anything. Okay, hurry up. All of you are done. Okay, great. That was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.